Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once using the latest method. TikTok still doesn't provide a direct unfollow all button, but there's a way you can request it through the app itself. So, first, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the menu icon on the top right and open Settings and Privacy. After that, you will tap on Help Center. Next, scroll down a little until you find Report a Problem under the Support section. Tap on it. Once this page opens, scroll all the way down and select Submit a Report. Here, you'll need to explain your issue clearly. You can simply mention that you want help unfollowing all accounts from your TikTok following list at once. After writing the message, tap on Submit. Now, TikTok support will review your request and may contact you through your registered email address, so make sure your TikTok email is active and accessible. And that's basically how you can request to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials and step-by-step guides.